Hello dancers, welcome to tutorial for Danza Kuduro by Omar. This is a throwback dance jam. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the chorus. We're going to go right, left, double, right, double, left, double, right, together, step, hop, hop. But it's going to go up towards the mirror. So we're going to start with that right foot. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 7, 8, right, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 2, big jumps back, 7, 8. Once you land, you take off right away again on the left foot this time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, hop, 7, 8. Now the arms. The arms are whatever you want, but there has to be some kind of arm. So you can keep it right here, simple. You can add a little bit more flair, rolling down the river, a little disco, whatever you choose, but keep the arms moving. So right foot, we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. We're going to push away. 7, 8. Landing to start on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that first part facing the front. Right foot starts. And 1, 2, 3, moving up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left foot goes. Left. Tap, tap, tap. Right. Double right. Left. Double left. 1, 2, push, push. Great. Moving on. We see there's 2 jump backs in the second one. We're going to start going to the left. We're going to go left, right, slide, left. Right, left, slide, right. Left, right, tap, tap. 1, 2, slide. 4 more, but we're going to add a little head this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Working the hair. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that just means coming over your head, and you got to get underneath it. Pop, pop, down. Pop, pop, down, and snake. Let's see that face in the front. We just came back. 7, 8. Left, 2, 3, 4. First 4. Just up. Tap, tap, tap. Now we add the head. We go snake left, snake right, snake left, snake right. All right, first one. We're going to pull in single, single, double. We're just going to pull that left knee in, right knee in, double, left. Tap. 1, 2, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we take it same legs, go a little bit lower, arms push. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. With those fists, push, push, double, and push, push, double to go chorus. Tap, tap, tap. Let's see that face in the front. Arms ready, palms out. We pull in. 1, 2, double, 3, and 4, 5, 6, double. Tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Same thing, punching down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Chorus goes. Single, single, double right. Remember the arms wherever you like. Double, right, together. Left foot leads. Left, right, double, left, double, right, double, left. And push, push, slide. To the left, right, to the right, and to the left. Remember 4 more, we're going to add that snake head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really working that ponytail. Tap, 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 tap. Time for the second verse. This second verse comes after the second chorus, and again after the third chorus, but we put together verse 1 and 2 together. So first the legs. It is simple, knees in, knees out, but it feels harder than it is. It just goes toes and knee in, toes and knees out. And once you have this balance, you can actually jump it. Now, if you touch your knees here, you can also just keep it on the ground here. But the idea is in, nose, toes and knees, and out. Tap, tap, tap. That continues. First, no arms, then we're gonna add some arms. We're gonna take the right arm, we're gonna take it across the opposite shoulder, bring it to its own shoulder, and then down and up to switch. Left arm, down and up. Right across to its own, down and up. Left across to its own, down and up. On the second time through the verse, we're going to start with a single arm, and then we're going to add both arms. Both arms is actually easier. Cross, open, down, and up. Cross, open, down, and up. If you want it really advanced, you can go cross, open, look, down, look, up. And the whole time the knees are going in and out with the toes. Let's see it facing the front, no arms, single arms, and both arms together. We put them all together into this one little swirl right here. So just working the legs first. We get that legs going. In and out, ta, ta. Right arm, cross. Left arm, cross. Again, right? And now I'm going to show both arms. We go cross, again, cross. Now we're going to add the look down, down, cross, and. Great, there's one more little fun part, super short to learn, and that's before our final chorus. So we just did these with or without the head for 4. Then there's a little break in the music. We're going to take it around, sexy, sexy, and then we're going to work our hips, ta, 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 to start chorus one more time. So it's that final face in the front. We're going to go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here comes that little break in the music, and ta, 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 right, left, double, right, left, right, double, left. Remember, working those arms, double hop, left foot leads, left, ta, 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 right, ta, 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 left, ta, ta, ta. We end with our slide. Left, slide it, right, slide it, ta, ta. Last word with the snake, down, and right, left, and right. That is all the choreography for Danza Kuduro. Let's dance it.